वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. Before we start this episode, I want to wish you all a very happy Baisakhi. May God bless you all with joy, health, and prosperity. And thank you for being a part of this podcast. Baisakhi is an auspicious day in India as it marks the onset of spring and especially for Sikh religion as Khalsa was founded on this day by Guru Gobind Singh Ji in front of thousands at Anandpur Sahib in 1699. People all over the world celebrate Baisakhi with a lot of joy, merriment and excitement. As for Sikhs, they pay homage to Gurdwaras, take part in Nagar Kirtans, organize langars and various other services or seva while reciting shabads. It's a full-fledged celebration of happiness all around. It's such a beautiful sight for the eyes. We will talk all about Baisakhi and how Khalsa was established in another episode. Now, coming back to our episode. Last we talked about that Nanak Ji had started working in the Modi Khana in Sultanpur Lodi under Nawab Daulat Khan. The work was going good and everyone was happy. But Bibi Nanki Ji and her husband Jai Ram Ji were a bit worried that Nanak Ji was not saving anything and spending everything on serving others. They thought that if they get Nanak Ji married, he might get back into social life. But the question was if Nanak Ji would ever agree for marriage. To everyone's surprise, Nanak Ji agreed. He said that he can still meditate and get married. Jai Ram Ji found a suitable match for Nanak Ji, Mata Sulakhani Ji, daughter of Mool Chand and Chando Rani of Batala. Mool Chand Ji was also a Patwari in Gurdaspur district. Mool Chand Ji invited Nanak Ji to discuss about the marriage rituals with the Brahmin priests. Nanak Ji was sitting beside a weak and damaged mud wall. An elderly lady approached Guruji and said that Nanak Ji should move as the wall may fall on him. Guruji smiled and said, Mata Ji, ਇਹ ਕੰਧ ਸਦੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਿੱਗਦੀ, meaning that this wall will not fall for ages. And that wall still stands. The Gurdwara Kand Sahib stands there today and the wall also exists. If you want, you can visit and see for yourself. The rituals, horoscope, planetary positions, Nanak Ji didn't believe in any of those and said that any day will be good for marriage, and on the day of marriage, he ignored the rituals and took 4 rounds instead of sacred 7, as mentioned in Mahima Prakash. असलिख चौकी पर तरियो लीन परकर्मा चार आगे आगे सतगुरु मूले पाज कुमार. They were married on 24th September 1487. The wedding was a great yet simple affair. All the people without any discrimination sat together in Pangat and had food. The wedding took place at the house of Mata Sulakhani Ji, where the Gurdwara Dera Sahib stands now, which is hardly 5 minutes distance from Kand Sahib. The wedding anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Mata Sulakhani Ji is celebrated quite big in Batala every year and is popularly known as Babbe Da Vyah. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Do share it with your friends. Thank you.